To display upcoming alarm on the widget bar on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add upcoming alarm widget to the widget bar on your lock screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the widget bar, tap clock, and then tap upcoming alarm widget to add this widget to the widget bar. Tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, now your phone will display your upcoming alarm on the widget bar below the lock screen clock. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.